Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Science Vision with Bhandekar sir, and thanks for watching this video. And please subscribe my YouTube channel Science Vision with Bhandekar sir. Before this video lecture, we study that is laws of refraction and refractive index of the medium. Because you know here according to laws of refraction, that is sin I upon sin r equal to constant. That is ratio of angle of incidence and angle of refraction is constant, and that constant is called refractive index of medium second with respect to medium first. Now today here we study what is refractive index and formula to calculate the refractive index. These 2 points are very important here. That is refractive index and formula to calculate the refractive index. You know here, for example, that is a glass slab. Here glass slab. Here air is medium 1. Air is called medium 1, and here glass is medium second. Air is medium 1 and glass is medium second. Light travels through air, obviously travels through air and incidence on the glass slab. Here A, B, C and D, that is glass slab. Light PQ is the light ray which can traverse through air, and hence it is called incidence ray, and it obliquely strike to the side AB of the glass slab. Here there is a one normal, and that incidence ray makes an angle with this normal. M dash is normal. Then look here, when light enters from air to the glass, it changes direction in this way. Light changes direction when it enters the glass. You know here, that is a ray QR which is passes through the glass, and ray PQ passes through the air. Means you know here, air is a medium 1 and glass is a medium second. Light travels through the air firstly, obliquely strike to the glass, and you know here, when it enters the glass, it changes the direction. Look here, if there is no glass slab, hence it is the path of light is straight. That is, we calculate the refractive index of medium second with respect to medium first, means refractive index of glass with respect to air, or we calculate the refractive index of medium first with respect to medium second, that refractive index of air with respect to glass. Means in this way here we study the formula to calculate the refractive index. But you know, before we study the formula, here we learn that is a refractive index of medium is depend upon the speed of light in that particular medium. Because you know here, that is speed of light is different in different medium. Why that is speed of light is different in different medium? Look towards the air and glass, that air is a rarer medium. Air is a rarer medium and glass is a denser medium. Glass is denser medium. Means particles of air are away from each other. Hence it is thin medium or it is rarer medium, and light travels fastly through the air. But in glass, glass is a solid material is there. Particles are compact. Hence you know there is no space for traveling of glass, means a little space for traveling of light through the glass. Hence you know here there is a refractive index of glass is more than the air. Means there is a difference between that refractive index of air and glass, because the speed of light in air and glass is different. Means in this way, refractive index of medium is depends upon speed of light in that medium. speed of light in that medium. Refractive index of medium is depend upon the speed of light in that medium. You know here, speed of light in different mediums are different. Speed of light in different medium is different. Speed of light in different medium is different. Hence, you know here, refractive index of different mediums is different. Look here. Hence, refractive index of different medium is different. Refractive index of different medium is different. Means in this way, here that is the reason why refractive index of different mediums are different, because you know here the speed of light in different medium is different. Hence, you know, refractive index of different medium is different. You know here we calculate the refractive index of medium second with respect to first, or refractive index of medium first with respect to second. Means formula, or we study that is formula to calculate the refractive index. Here, formula to calculate the refractive index. Formula to calculate refractive index of medium second with respect to medium first. What is the formula to calculate the refractive index of medium second with respect to first? Here, look here, medium glass is a medium second and air is a medium first. Glass is a medium second and air is the medium first. Here we calculate the refractive index of glass with respect to air. Look here, speed of light in medium first is V1. Speed of light in medium first equals to V1. Means speed of light in air is V1 and speed of light in medium second means in glass, that is V2. Speed of light in medium second equals to V2. Means here we indicate that is a refractive index of medium second with respect to first. Here we write nu second with respect to first in this way, equal to speed of light in medium first, upon speed of light in medium second. That is a second with respect to first equals to V1 upon V2. Here is a formula to calculate the refractive index of medium second with respect to first. Now we study that is formula to calculate the refractive index of medium first with respect to second. That is, calculate the refractive index. Formula to calculate refractive index of medium first with respect to medium second. Then what is formula here? Refractive index of medium first with respect to second, that is speed of light in medium second upon speed of light in medium first, means that is first with respect to second, V2 upon V1. Means in this way we use, that is two formulas to calculate the refractory index of the medium, second with respect to first and first with respect to second. That's all.